For this one, if you're the type of person that wants to see what it looks like if I dip it in this and dip it in this, one, you can't do that because you can't double dip, triple dip. Only one dip is allowed, okay? But I'm gonna show you what you could do. So I'm gonna take some of this color and I'm gonna take some of this color. You could clean this up and take it back to your seat. And I've rinsed this pot off already. And then I'm gonna grab a really thick, fluffy brush. So I have my fluffy brush. Pay attention to what glaze is what, right? So when I don't use all this, I can dump it back into the right container. Oh, I'm gonna get one more fluffy brush. Thanks, my lovely assistants. You wanna make sure your brushes are clean. This one is not quite clean. Will you rinse that one out for me? Okay, so here we go. 3 brushed on coats equal what? Does anybody remember? One dip coat. So with my banding wheel, I wonder if Jim just caught what I messed up on. Pause and reverse. Inside first. Inside first. So for this technique, you are going to glaze the inside just like normal. So if you want to see what 2 different glazes, how they interact together, you're going to use a banding wheel. Underneath here is this little finger texture so that you can spin it. And you are going to work kind of quickly. I'm going to load up that brush. I'm going to use these little circles to make sure it's pretty much in the middle. And one coat, I know it looks obnoxious and whatnot, but I want to get it in because the glaze dries so quickly. If I don't do this quickly, it's not gonna just smoothly brush on. So that's why you wanna load up your brush and work pretty quickly. Do you guys see how quick that dries? Okay, so that's one coat. I'm gonna let that dry a smidge. It won't take too long. The next glaze, again, you gotta work quick. Ooh, it's so porous that it just wants to soak up this glaze and stick. So I'm gonna get it on there quick. So that's my third. Now my second. So now, once that's dry, I need to make the decision. Do I wanna put another coat of this on? Do I wanna put another coat of this on? Do I wanna do something else? If I put another coat of this on, it's gonna look different than if I would put another coat of this on. So like the variation you could get is a little mind-blowing. What I'm actually gonna do is does not work if you don't have a fluffy brush. I'm gonna do that. You guys, I have no idea what this is gonna look like. Unless you test things over and over, you don't know. But the good thing is, or the smart thing is to write down what you're doing, because if this turns out amazing, I want to know exactly what I did so I can do it again. So there's my 3 coats. We'll see what that ends up with.